Okay, so this is the DANCO replacement cartridge for their shower here. So the original part is the Delta RP46074. Model number is right there on the side. It looks like that. So this is the replacement for it right here, which should be pretty much an exact duplicate of it right there. So if your shower is leaking, it's not the shower head, it is usually this is the problem. You need to get a replacement one. It is quite simple to install, should only take a few minutes. You basically pull out the old one, stick this one in and screw everything back. So it is pretty simple. There are a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it, so check those out. But yeah, I'll show you a quick right here as well. Yeah, so basically once you have the old hardware off, it was pretty easy. Just unscrew it, unscrew this, pull this out, and then you have your new one. Basically just align the notches here on the side and then push it in and then reinstall all your hardware. As simple as that. Okay, so I've got it all pushed in, all the way in flush. The next, screw this on. The next, slide this back on. Then lastly, put the handle back on. Just match it up there. And then use an Allen wrench to tighten it up right there. Okay, so got it all done. Let's turn on the water. The shower was leaking quite a bit. Even when everything was turned off, it was leaking constantly. And now you can see, after installing this, no more leak. So very simple fix anybody can do. So yeah, this is a perfect replacement part for the original Delta cartridge. So make sure you check this out.